Hey gang, Deborah Jean here. We're going to go over today in the field as usual the most important thing you need to know about your irrigation system design, and that's your gallons per minute. So you need to know your GPM to do anything else. We're going to show you how. All right, here we are. We are standing at our main line going into the house. We've located our water meter, located the main line going into the house, so that we know where our water source and our water shutoff is. So we cut off the water meter, cut the pipe, drained the pipe out, and we installed a T and a valve, which you see here in the valve box. Now, after the valve, we just simply installed some PVC pipe to make this water spout that will fill a bucket, 5-gallon bucket. So now that we have our valve installed, we simply get ready with our bucket and a buddy and a timer, and we turn on this valve fully for full water flow, and we start the timer as soon as we put the bucket underneath. Then we record how many seconds it takes for the bucket to fill to the 5-gallon mark. So you're going to stop your timer once the bucket gets to the 5-gallon mark. All right, and how many seconds it took to fill your 5-gallon bucket is exactly the one piece of information that you need to move forward and figure out your gallons per minute. Okay, gang, that's all you need to know about getting your gallons per minute. So check out the GPM auto calculator, get our free cheat sheet below, and get tons of cool links and free stuff, free information. Do it.